All right, so we are back with another live trade recap video. It is June 19th. It is actually considered a holiday, but I did still trade today. So we are going to get right into it. We are on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows. So we have bullish structure, and then we are also above the 200 moving average. So first thing I seen was this break in structure, which is what I want to see. And then we have this bullish push up that broke structure. So we're going to box in the order block that caused this shift on the 1 hour. And then we also have a gap here. All right. So we're just looking for price to tap into this area. And then we did tap in near the gap area. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to the 5 minute at this point and see where we can get our entry. So observing the 5 minute, it's doing the opposite at this second. So we're making lower lows, and we're also below the 200 moving average. So it's giving very bearish right now. So what we want to see is a break in this structure. That's a change of character, and then we want to see it pull back down to pull back up. All right, so we did get a change of character here. So it's giving us signs that it wants to start pushing up. And I'm going to go to the 15 minute because it's a little choppy here. Give us a little clarity. So here I'm just looking for price to come down. Oranges for 15 minute. So I'm looking for price to come down and hit our order block. Go back down to the 5 minute. Okay, so we have a push up here. So let me look at the 15 minute again. And then we did have a gap in this area. So since we got that candlestick pattern, I feel comfortable with going ahead and taking price up. So our stop loss is going to be below this little consolidation area. And it's about a 1 to 3. Since it is a holiday, I'm not trying to go crazy, so I'm cool with getting a 1 to 3 for today. It's about 14 pips. I could live with that. So all right, and we hit that take profit area, exceeded the take profit area. So we could have went a little bit higher, but yep, that's what we got for today. All right, and this is how the trade played out for the rest of the day. All right, so that is it for today, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's trade breakdown.